Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can turn your 50 USDT to 500 USDT in just few days. Maximum 30 days. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that. I'm still going to use these two apps today. The first one is CoinMarketCap, and the second one is our usual app, which is Bybit. Okay, I'm going to talk about a particular coin that has been doing well in the past days and also has been keeping a very good market cap, and also it's been bullish, really bullish. So let's quickly get that. As I said in my last video, if you do not have a CoinMarketCap, go straight to your Play Store and download it. And also make sure you have your Bybit ready or any other exchanges of your choice. So let's quickly dive into that. The coin I'll be looking at right now is called a Floki. A lot of us knows the Floki coin, right? And a lot of us has been trading it. Okay, so this Floki coin has been recording a very good movement in the past 30 days. You can look at here. Take a look at here. In the past 30 days, it has fleed from 0.0005841 to what? To 0.001. That's a very good move, which is over what? Over 70% profit. Over what? Over 70% profit in the past 30 days. So this very coin has been very flexible. It has been ups and down. In its last 7 days, it has been very poor. It has been very, very bearish in the last 7 days. But in the previous days before that, it was what? Doing well. You see the last 30 days. The last 30 days had what? Recorded over 70% positive. Over 70% profit. Okay. What about the last 24 hours? In the last 24 hours, it recorded this. Over 7%. Okay. This shows that this particular coin has been very flexible. It's been ups and down, and a lot of people have been taking these advantages and have been making profit. Okay, they've been taking these advantages and they have been making profit. They sell when it rises, okay, and they join again when it's really down on bearish. Okay, so let's dive down and see. You can see the full statistics here. It shows the low and the high. Okay, it shows the lows and the high, and this has to do with what? The past 24 hours. You can see this here has been the high. You can see here the total market cap is over $900 million. The circulated supply is here 9.62. You can see the volume here. The all-time high is here. Okay, so look at this very coin carefully and dive into read for profit. Okay, this coin you can get it on Binance, which is here. You can see here. You can get this particular coin on Binance. You can also get it on Bybit, and it's also available on KuCoin. Alright, it's also available on KuCoin. So rolling down for it to see, You can see address by time held. Okay, the people that have been holding this coin for over 1 year is this 58 over 58%. Okay, from 1 to 12 months is this over 38%, and 1 month or greater than 1 month is this 2.9%. So you can take a look at it here and see it carefully. The total holders of this very coin are 551.22 thousand. You can see that is a lot of people are still investing on this very particular coin, and they are hoping to cash out massively. They're hoping to cash out massively. So if you want to trade this coin now, all you can do is just quickly dive yourself into Bybit or KuCoin or Binance. Okay, so in these three places you can get this coin to trade. All right, come here carefully to search for the Floki. Okay, come to this place to search for the Floki. You can see how the Floki is doing right here. Okay, it's a very good coin to invest on, but invest on it wisely and you make your profit. All right, you can see 24 hours high here, 24 hours low here. This is what you look at, and the 24-hour turnover is over 1.56 million. You can see. Okay, so this is a very good coin that you can invest in, but I still want you to make your own personal research before investing on any coin. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll be stopping here. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. See you in my next class. Bye.